Lifers! Wait, you want to say it this time?
Yes.
Go ahead.
Hello, Lifers. It's Jason Love and Evelyn's life, and we're doing.
See what that says?
I
Silly Sense Marker Maker. We're gonna make markers?
Yes.
Alright, we're gonna do an unboxing. Let's see if we have.
It's gonna taste funny.
Well, we don't taste it, we smell it.
Oh.
And then
Smell funny?
it'll smell funny, yeah. And Everett's over there playing Mario Maker or Mario X while we do this. You wanna say hi, Everett?
Hi.
Alright. Let's see what we got. Oh, don't do that. No cutting your hair. You almost saw Evelyn cut her hair live on video. That would have been really bad.
I'm just making a beautiful haircut.
Hey, you have beautiful haircut, yes. Oh, look at all these. What is going on? Here, let's go ahead and put the... There you go. See now. Right. Sure, we gotta figure
it out.
Go ahead, take the stuff out. We can figure out what it all...
I did the colors.
Alright. We take the colors out. So we have a silly scented marker maker. I think this is a box. Oh yeah, box for the markers. Nice. That's pretty neat. Let's go ahead and set that up while Evelyn's pulling everything out. Very nice. And here we have scented stickers. Stickers that will be scented from the colors. Ooh, here. Color mixing guide. So we can pick what colors we want. So if we want... oh, we come up with the name. Okay, we can do that. Here's a check. Oh, more box. Another box. Another maker box. Like so. Perfect.
Dad, you can do these things.
Okay. So we need, you leave those in there. Let's see what we got. We're going to need that. Hold that. This is for measuring. We're going to need that. So what it says is we take this. This goes like that. Okay. So we take, these are, okay, I see. These are like that hold it inside. I don't know if that makes sense. Like it absorbs it. So we take it says gently put down and then wait, hold on.
What's this?
You gotta put that back. That's for, you'll see in a second. So we put this here. We take one of these and we put one of these in there. I'm not sure what matters.
What is that?
It's to make the marker. Hold on. I think that's right. Hold on. Let's see. What is this?
Can I make some colors?
Yep, well we gotta wait till we get it set. So gently press the tip down into a narrow end of the marker barrel. I don't know what that means. Is this the marker barrel? Oh, yep, careful. You don't want to lose these.
Okay.
Like that, like that, like that. Oh wait, here's another piece. What are these? I don't need these. Hey little man, can you cool it with the sound effects?
What?
Cool it with the sound effects? Okay, gently press the tip down into the narrow end of the marker barrel. So I think we're supposed to go the other way. Let's try it. All right. We take the tip here and we put it in. Put it in here.
Can I try to do that?
Yeah, do you want to push it in there?
Yes. A shape as a marker.
Yeah, so it should look like a marker, like that. We take it and we put that in there. And then place the bottom of the, where's the measuring cup? This goes, wait, what? So this goes somehow attached to this, I assume? No, there's a different piece. Okay, this right here. Like that. I think. That's weird. Okay. Counterclockwise. There we go. Okay, so we got that. Okay. So let's add up to 15 lines. Okay, so we're going to put stuff in there with the tweezers. Where are the tweezers? I need you to stop pulling stuff off the table because I can't find them.
Okay.
Otherwise we can't make it. Alright, so we'll need the tweezers.
That's tweezers.
These are tweezers. Okay. And then, do you want to start putting colors in?
Yes.
Okay. Now
What?
it's important to remember that you have to stop.
Where?
You have to stop at this line. You can't go past that. Actually, let's just put it at that line. Okay.
Okay.
So do not. That's okay. Just don't tip it till you get over the. Till you get over there. That. Do you want to do it with red and what other colors?
Red.
Okay. You're just gonna do red, or you're gonna put other colors in it?
I'm gonna put red and yellow.
Okay. I think it's better if you do two. Can you just pick two colors?
Yes.
You can think about it while you put the red in there.
Okay.
Okay. I'll get this ready while you do that.
Can I put it to 10?
Yep, all the way up to 15. Or well, you can put it up to 10 with red, and then put it like to 15 with whatever other color. You just gotta make sure you keep it inside of the container. We got quite a ways to go.
Could you help me?
Sure. Here.
Get red inside.
Okay, what color are you going to do next?
Yellow.
Let's see.
Yellow's the next one.
Okay, let's do it to there. You're going to put the yellow in there. Remember, up to 15, and then you got to stop.
Okay.
Do you need help, or you got it?
I mean help.
Okay, so you don't want to touch the sides. You want to kind of keep it up higher, because otherwise the red gets on there. Okay?
Okay.
Now we take this. Good job. And we put, yeah, let's make sure.
What in? Let's see what it is. Let's see what it is, okay?
Okay, it's going to slowly suck it up into there.
So I can squeeze it out into something, into this.
Yep. Well, we'll actually put this whole thing in there.
Okay.
Then I can read ahead while it's doing that.
Look, orange. So orangey.
Yep, don't touch it with your hands, though.
Look, it sucked the whole thing.
Yeah, hold on, it's not done yet. See, there's still...
Sucking?
Yep, there's still some in there.
Oh no, got really bigger.
Let's see if we can absorb the rest.
Looks like sucking blood.
Yeah, it does kind of look like blood. I think that's everything. So we take it.
And I'm gonna squeeze it.
Hold on, no, we don't squeeze it. We put it in here. I think we put it... And then we put an end cap on it. And then I'll let you lock it. You ready? So I'm going to put the end cap on
What
it.
does it block it? Is it squeeze it?
So now we take this. We put that on it. Now push down.
Okay, so it can look like one.
You got to push down harder. Use your other hand. I think it said there'd be two. There we go. All right, you ready?
Yes.
Here we go.
There it goes. Oh.
See if we can get it to work.
Nah, just wait.
It's not working yet?
Yes, it has to stick
Oh,
in.
it's got to stay like this for 5 minutes. We'll set the timer. We're not going to make you wait 5 minutes, so we're going to do 5 minutes. We'll come back. All right, welcome back. It's been 5 minutes. Should we see what happened?
Yes.
Ah!
Let's see how it works.
Okay.
That's. Oh,
What does it smell like?
strawberries.
Let me smell.
That's big something.
Ah! You made a heart.
Yeah. Who's smelly?
What does it smell like?
Strawberries.
Does it? Here, let me. When you're done with your heart, let me smell. Can I smell your heart?
Yes.
It does kind of smell like strawberries. Do you want to say thanks for watching?
Thanks for watching. Color, color, color. I'm good.
Please subscribe. No, don't do it over there. Don't do it on the camera. Ah, come back over here. Anything else? Should they
Don't
watch it?
forget to watch our videos.
All right. We love you guys.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.